This entrepreneur wakes up to $3,847 deposited in his account every month while he sleeps. Here's his exact system. While most business owners reset to zero every month, he built something different. A system that pays him whether he's working or not, whether he's sick, on vacation, or just sleeping in. It's called the Rapid Timeshift 14 system, and it transforms exhausting one-off sales into predictable monthly income. The same model Amazon uses for Prime. The same approach Netflix built their empire on. But you don't need millions in funding to make it work. You don't need a tech team or special skills. Just 14 days to shift from unpredictable hustle to clockwork revenue. Imagine checking your phone tomorrow morning, seeing fresh deposits from customers who pay you monthly. No more feast or famine cycles. No more starting from scratch each month. The system runs on autopilot while you focus on what matters. Get instant access to rapid recurring revenue and build your set it and forget it income system today.